how are you all doing? Thank you so much for dropping by to yet another Food with Adol video. Now if you are brand new to the channel, do consider hitting that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos coming on this channel weekly. Well, with that all out of the way, let's begin because this is going to be a quick one because I've got to go. Time is of the essence, my friends. Let's get to it. Okay, we've got our sourdough baguette here, like he says. I mean, in the UK we call it baguette. We're going to rip this. We don't need that much. Just get chunks. Right, to this we're going to add olive oil, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper everywhere, and a nice pinch of garlic powder. Just give a nice mix, toss. Right, that's ready. We're going to put that into the oven. Okay, I decided to add the rest of the baguette because why not? Right, that's going to go straight in the oven, which is around 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. And that's going to stay in there for how long?
And we're going to keep our eye on them. It's probably going to take somewhere around 10 minutes.
Right, so you heard that, about 10 minutes we're going to keep that in there. Right, we've got a container here which we're going to add about 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. Next, the juice of 1 lemon. We've got about 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 clove of garlic, and I've got 1/4 of a cup about Parmesan cheese here. Throw that in there. Let's not forget a nice pinch of salt and a nice pinch of black pepper. Just give that a good old mix. Right, beautiful croutons are ready. We've got some nice golden edges and you can hear the sound. Nice and crunchy. We forgot one thing to add in here, like Sam says and shows us, is a couple of these crouton pieces. We're going to cut these up and add them into our sauce and then we'll get to the chicken. Add these crumbled croutons in there. Beautiful. Now we're ready. Right, once you've got it to somewhat same level of thickness, we're going to add a nice pinch of salt and a nice pinch of black pepper. We're going to add a little more of this beautiful dressing on there, like so. Okay, let's lay this down gently and nicely. That's what you want to hear, that sizzling sound. And now while we've got this side up, we're going to add some of that dressing to this. So just spill some of that across there like that. Now remember guys, this is me trying to get as close to Sam's recipe as possible. And that's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes on one side and then about 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Right, time to flip this guy. Oh wow. Just look at that, absolutely looks ridiculous. Right, while that's getting ready, we're going to get our romaine lettuce ready. So let's get right to it. Alright, we've got our romaine here, so what we're going to do is take off this end over here and then cut this down the centre there, down the centre there, and then beautiful. Right, our chicken's done. We're going to take that off to rest for the next couple of minutes while we're just getting the salad ready. Right, beautiful pieces of the croutons. Now let's get some of that dressing and just drizzle it all the way across with the cheese in there, the croutons, the lemon. Wow, just look at that. I mean, do I need to say anything more? Beautiful, white, silky. Right, let's get this into beautiful chunks. Let's just place our chicken pieces on there like that. And we'll just grate some fresh Parmesan cheese over this. Just come on, look at that. Now here we are, chicken Caesar salad. We get some romaine lettuce. We get the crouton, the crunchy. And then we get chicken breast piece. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That tastes so fresh. It's lemony. It's got that flavour from the croutons, the garlic, the chicken's cooked to perfection with beautiful salt and black pepper on there. The romaine lettuce gives it that nice crunch along with the croutons. I mean, just the croutons by itself. So that was the chicken Caesar salad recipe from Sam the Cooking Guy, and honestly, it is absolutely fantastic. No wonder, you know, he's one of my favorite YouTubers in the food industry, because giving us recipes like this to make, I just wanted to show him appreciation by making this dish, because it's absolutely fantastic. Definitely a solid 9 out of 10 for me. And it's just a chicken salad with croutons in there. I mean, who doesn't like that? Unless you're a vegetarian, then I don't want to know you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be safe, stay safe, be kind to one another, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.